Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with a new video, and today I will be installing this onto my Jeep's taillight. So this is like a really easy thing to do. All you really need is this one tool. It's just a screwdriver. This taillight kit comes with, of course, the taillight covers, some new screws, and a spacer for between the actual lights and the plate. I'll show you guys how to install it. But before anything, I want to show you guys how these lights look without these covers on first. So let me turn on the lights. So this is how the back of my Jeep looks right now. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights going on. And here's a closer look. That's how that looks, and that's how that looks. Alright, let's just get straight to the install. All you want to do is literally, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 little screws. And it's really good that they have replacement screws because these screws are all rusted. Cool, so I just unscrewed the screws and I put it down. Once you're done with that, you want to get that spacer, and it's a longer screw this time because of the spacer. So the spacer is going to go between the original cover and this new cover. So let's do that. This is how it looks. The spacer is right there, and I'm just gonna be putting that in right there. Cool, so I have it in right there. Sorry the quality is bad, guys. It's getting dark outside, but this is how it looks. So I decided to turn on the flash for you guys so you can see. There's the spacer. I saw online, like on Amazon where I bought this, that most people do not know what these white things are, but they are indeed spacers for your lights. I didn't finish doing the bottom yet, but I'm going to do the bottom now. You don't want to tighten these all the way yet. You just want to put it in so this thing stays. Then once you have everything in, then you can tighten it. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. I just finished tightening everything up. There you go. And I also did the other side too. So yeah, make sure to use the spacers. Do not throw them away like most people. I read some reviews and it said the screws are too long, and they were complaining, but they're actually really stupid because you need those spacers for this little gap here. So here's how everything looks. And of course, I'm gonna turn on the lights for you so you can see it now. So here is how it looks. Let me get a little closer for you. But yeah, you can see it. Let me change this setting. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. It's just a little something. Oh yeah, I do have to give a shout out to my girlfriend because she also bought me this for my birthday, which is tomorrow, February 10th. You guys are probably going to see this video a little later, but yeah, shout out to her. Cool little guards. If you guys have any other questions about this, leave the comments down below as always, or just message me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, doesn't matter. Add me on there so you can watch my awesome snaps. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Peace.